Hey guys, every once in a while, whenever we have contractors at home or any kind of work going on, I usually get this question: are you an infinity collector? And it's funny. I mean, I don't blame anyone for thinking I am. You can see it's infinity everywhere. I also get a different question, or same question, different way. Question is, why do you have so many infinity cars? Why do you also, a variant of that is, why do you have so many cars? Those two questions I will answer in a different video. I've been intending to do a video on why I have many cars and why all these cars are infinities. But in this video, I wanted to focus on advantages of having the same car or similar cars. So this is an Infiniti QX80, 5.6 liter V8, Infiniti M56, 5.6 liter V8, Infiniti Q70, 5.6 liter V8. See a trend, huh? Infiniti M45, 4.5 liter V8, it's a little older. Infiniti Q70 hybrid, that's a V6. One of the advantages of having similar cars is the ease of maintenance, or the simplicity of the logistics of maintenance, because all of them for the most part use the same oil filter. I actually buy the oil filters in bulk, and I'm thinking I might step it up even further, start buying them in boxes of 36 or something like that. I don't know what that minimum box package is, but I'm thinking I might start finding the supplier and buy that. Oil, for the most part, they use the same 5W30. You could go to 0W20, and I've tried it, but decided not to. So for the V8s, they get pretty much the same oil, and I do it. And as much as the configuration might be a little different, the principle of it is the same, right? The tools that I use are the same. 14 millimeter. This one here has a skid plate that needs 14 millimeter socket to no, it's actually a 13 millimeter socket to remove those bolts from underneath there, those bolts right there. And other than that, your engine is right there. Your drain plug, is right there. Your oil filter, and all of them use the same 14 millimeter head for the drain plug, or the drain bolt is what I was trying to talk about earlier. Those have plastic undercovers, so you need to remove just 10 millimeter fasteners. But for the most part, pretty much the same, right? So I like that. I like the simplicity. The air filters are a little different, and the M56s are the hardest or the most involved air filters to replace because of the air intake design. Everything else is right up there. The M45 is very easy. The V6 is also very easy to ride on top. Can't even really fight it. And I think the air filters inside, in-cabin air filters, might be a little different here. Those usually need a little more work, but again, it's not terrible, it's not bad. The only difference that is at this point is that here I have some Mobil 1, which I don't typically like to use, but because this is a hybrid, it can actually use this oil, and it should. But I decided to try something a little different, something specifically formulated for hybrid engines, and the characteristic of them running, engine turning off, running on electric, and things like that. So I just wanted to give it a go, see how things would go. Mobil 1 is actually a pretty good company. I've just got some subjective issues with them. That's the only reason. If Pennzoil made hybrid specific oil, I would have given it a try. But so far, after one trip and getting like 28.99 miles per gallon, I'm liking it. So I'll just use it a little longer and see what happens. And that's how I did my objective experiments to come up with to the point of Mobil 1 wasn't really doing anything for me with the other vehicles. So yeah, I think the series might be bigger at some point. We'll talk about it's actually, once you hear them, the reasons are not all that new, not all that complicated. But I am a multi-layered person, and so there are reasons why I have cars that I might not drive every day, but I still keep well maintained, because in my field, my profession is a reliability engineer. We say if it's a spare, then it needs to be ready to go tomorrow, right now. If it's not ready to work right now, then is it really a spare? You know, things like that. So, but those are things we can address in another video. For now, I want to get back to work. I've got, this week I was doing 4 oil changes, right? Did the hybrid, doing the QX80, doing the M56, then I'll be doing the Q70. The M45, it will get new oil eventually because the engine has to be replaced. So that's all I have for now. Catch you guys later, okay?